can $100 investment on Terra Classic coin make you a millionaire? Now remember, there are so many coins that have created a lot of millionaires, including from Shiba Inu down to BNB down to Solana, that was trading at just $1 in 2020, and in 2021 Solana was able to hit $263. Now, can $100 investment on Terra Classic make you a millionaire? Oh yes. Now, if Terra Classic is able to burn more coins, Terra Classic is able to burn over 5.5 trillion coins. It simply means, based on statistics, that a $100 investment on Terra Classic, if the supply reduces by, let's say, 100 billion or 300 billion coins, Terra Classic, there's a possibility of this coin turning $100 into $1,120,000. Okay, $100 will be worth about $1,120,000, but LUNC just need to burn over 5.5 to 5.6 trillion coins for $100 investment on this coin to be able to hit about $1,120,000 US. So now imagine $100 investment. Now let's go down to $10. That means with $10, we should be talking about $112,000, which is a lot of money. But what about if Terra Classic is able to burn just half of this coin? Okay, Terra Classic is able to burn 2.5 or 2.8 or let's say 3 trillion coins, and we're left with about 2.8 trillion. The truth is, $100 investment can still return over $100,000. There's a possibility for that. Yes, and it's a lot of money. So I still believe that even though I invest $100 and I'm making just $10,000, let's just go for $10,000, that is a huge profit. That is a good investment. So it's someone who must have invested $10 will be earning about $1,000. But remember, like I said, if Terra Classic is able to destroy about 3 trillion or 3.5 trillion coins, so you see, there's a possibility. But the problem is, how can Terra Classic destroy this number of coins? That is where the 1.2% tax bond comes in. That is where we have a lot of different, over 100 burning portals, from Binance to DFLC to Lunatic burning to Crimination. You know, they have been burning thousands and billions of coins. So that's the possibility. Yes, the answer is yes. $100 investment can make a millionaire if Terra Classic hits a huge market cap of over $50 billion without a huge burning, or if Terra Classic hits a huge burning without a huge market cap. One of these, but two of these will definitely make it move faster for Terra Classic LLC. So let's hope for the best, and I believe that Terra Classic one day will definitely put smiles on our faces. But remember, do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. This is crypto industry where anything can happen. Like I said before, I believe in the future. Have patience, but learn to invest wisely. Learn to invest what you can afford to lose. Don't invest your house rent. Don't invest your business money. Do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Once again, thank you for stopping by.